Good afternoon, friends. Last lecture we have to end of the second topic, that is about the multi-component reaction. Okay, in this lecture we have to start the third topic, that is about the ring formation reaction. In this ring formation reaction we have to discuss the first reaction, that is the Poisson-Khand reaction. Okay, that Poisson-Khand reaction, this reaction, it is a special method for making the 5-member ring. Okay, you have to know about the Poisson-Khand reaction. That Poisson-Khand reaction you have to useful for the 5-member ring formation. Okay, that 5-member ring formation you have to form by the 3 component. Okay, you have to form by 3 component. First is alkene, alkyne and carbon monoxide. Okay, therefore this reaction, it is a special method for making the 5-member ring. Okay, for making the 5-member ring from the 3 component reaction. 3 component, first is the alkene, alkyne and the carbon monoxide. These 3 component you have to formation of 5-member ring, and that 5-member ring you have to formation into Poisson-Khand reaction. Okay, the second point is about the first step of this reaction, that is about the replacement of 2 CO molecule. Okay, in this first step you have to replacement with the 2 CO molecule, and that CO molecule you have to replace one from each cobalt atom. Okay, this is the 2 cobalt atom, and therefore the each cobalt atom it gives the 1 carbon monoxide group, and therefore you have to replace them. And therefore with the alkyne to form the double bond. Okay, with the alkyne, okay, that is the alkyne component, and that alkyne component you have to form the double bond. And therefore this double bond you have to form, that is the sigma complex. You have to formation of sigma complex, and therefore next point it says that therefore the 1 carbon monoxide molecule, it is replaced by the alkene. Okay, you have to take the 1 carbon monoxide and then you have to replace with the alkene. Okay, replace with the alkene group, and therefore the pi complex it turn gives the sigma complex. Okay, your pi complex it turns gives the sigma complex, and that sigma complex it is about the 1 carbon to carbon monoxide, and therefore it is a new carbon and carbon cobalt bond, and it is sacrificed into the ligand, and therefore it is a coupling reaction. And then the carbon monoxide insertion follows the elimination reaction. Okay, you have to carbon monoxide you have to insert them, and therefore it follows the elimination reaction. Okay, it follows the elimination reaction, and therefore this is the introduction part of the Poisson-Khand reaction, and therefore we have to discuss the general reaction, that is you have to know about the 3 component you have to taken, and you have to formation of 5-member ring, and this is the Poisson-Khand reaction. Okay, look at this. This is the alkyne component, this is the alkene component, and this is the carbonyl component, that is the carbon monoxide. Okay, so this carbon monoxide that is a complex molecule, that is the CO2 CO8. Okay, look at this complex molecule. Okay, therefore these three component you have to formation of this 5-member ring. Okay, look at this mechanism. It is a very important in this Poisson-Khand reaction. You have to actually how to create the 5-member ring from these 3 components. Okay, the firstly you have to take this CO2 CO8 complex. Okay, you have to take this CO2 CO8 complex, then therefore you have to imagine that therefore it is a 18 electron complex. Okay, look at this, that carbonyl, that cobalt group it shows the 18 electrons. Okay, that cobalt group it shows the 18 electron. This is the carbon monoxide group, it shows the 2 electron. This is also the 2 electron, this is 2 electron. Okay, therefore it is all about the 6 electron. This is cobalt gives the 9 electron, that is 6 plus 9, that is 15 electron, and therefore this is the 1 2 and 3, that is 18 electron formation into this cobalt, and this cobalt it is also form the 18 electron. Okay, therefore your complex is 18 electron. Okay, then you have to also know about in the introduction part we have to known, that is the two carbon monoxide group, you have to replace them. Okay, look at this. Therefore this that cobalt group, it gives this carbon monoxide, and that cobalt gives this carbon monoxide. You have to replace them, you have to replace them, and therefore it is formation of, okay, you have to replace them. Okay, you have to replace them, and therefore it is formation of the 16 electron species. Okay, that the 2 electron you have to remove them, okay, in this 18 electron complex. That 2 CO, that 2 carbon monoxide group, it gives the 2 electron. 2 carbon monoxide, it gives the 2 electron. Therefore you have to remove the 2 electron, therefore your complex is formed, that is a CO2 CO6. Okay, this complex you have to form. Okay, then it is treated with the alkyne. Then it is treated with the alkyne. You have to know about the 1 pi bond containing the 2 electron. Okay, you have to know about the 1 pi bond containing the 2 electron. Okay, that is the 16 electron species, and therefore the 1 electron, it goes from this side. Okay, 1 electron, it goes from this side, and therefore that pi 1 electron goes from this side. Okay, this is the crossing. Cross the electron. Okay, you have to cross the electron, and then againly you have to upper pi bond. Okay, that upper pi bond also donate the electron from this cobalt. Okay, that is not the crossing the component. Okay, therefore this is also, it donate the electron from this cobalt, and therefore this is also donate the electron from this cobalt. Okay, therefore you have to formation of the CO. This is cobalt, this is CO. Okay, this is CO, then this is CO, then this is carbon monoxide and carbon monoxide. Okay, and therefore this is H. Okay, this is R, and therefore you have to cross this carbon 1 electron, it is this pi bond 1 electron, it is cross this, and therefore this carbon 1 electron, it is cross it. Therefore you have to cross them. Okay, in this crossing, therefore it does not have the carbon atom, it is only the crossing. Okay, that crossing, therefore this point, it does not have the carbon atom, it is only the crossing, therefore it is formation of this complex. Okay, this complex you have to form them. Then, okay, then this complex you have to form, then you have to remove the carbon monoxide. Okay, then this 1 carbonyl group, that is a 1 CO molecule, you have to replace by the alkene. Okay, 1 CO molecule, it is replaced by this molecule. Okay, this is the alkene component. Look at this alkene. Okay, your R group. Okay, that R group you have to write from this. You have to write from this. Okay, that alkene group you have to write from this. Okay, therefore the 1 carbonyl group you have to replace with the alkene. Okay, 1 CO bond, it is replaced with the alkene. Okay, and therefore it is formation of this complex, that is H. Okay, and therefore your alkene component you have to add them, that is a coordinatively. Okay, you have to add the coordinatively. Okay, then therefore your addition, it gives the 18 electron species. Okay, then you have to addition. Okay, that alkene group you have to addition with this complex, and therefore your formation of the complex molecule, it gives the 18 electron rule. Okay, look at this. that carbon atom, it gives the negative charge, and therefore it gives the negative charge on this carbonyl, and that carbonyl, it gives this attack on this, and therefore you are to formation of this product, okay, that is R H R this is CO carbonyl, this is CO, this is CO, okay. Then you have to againly you have to carbonyl, this is CO, this is CO, this is CO, and this is the crossing of this carbon and cobalt, okay. Therefore you have to formation of this complex, and that complex, it gives the 18 electron complex, okay. That complex you have to give the 18 electron complex. Why you have to give the 18 electron complex? Because that 2 electron you have to addition with this complex, and therefore your complex electron is 18 electron, okay. Then you have to formation of this product, okay. Then you have to addition with the carbonyl group, okay. Then you have to add the carbonyl group, okay. You have to add the carbonyl group, therefore you have to addition with the carbon monoxide, okay. Therefore you have to taken this 18 electron complex molecule, and then you have to addition with the carbon monoxide, okay. Then you have to addition with the complex addition with this carbon monoxide, okay. Therefore look at this, how to mechanism. Okay, then you have to take this complex, that is a 18 electron complex. Okay, it is a 18 electron complex. Then you have to add the carbon monoxide, okay. You have to add the carbon monoxide, okay. That carbon monoxide you have to addition from this cobalt molecule, okay. That carbon monoxide you have to addition of this cobalt molecule, because that cobalt molecule, it gives the 18 electron and it gives the 16 electron, therefore it gives the 2 electron, okay. It gives the 2 electron from this carbon monoxide, therefore you have to addition with this complex, okay, and it is formation of 18 electron rule, okay. It is formation of 18 electron, okay. Look at this, that is R okay. This is the C triple bond O molecule. Look at this, C triple bond O molecule, sorry, carbonyl group, okay. That gives, that is R H R, okay. This is CO molecule, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and carbon monoxide, okay. And therefore you have to addition with this carbonyl group from into this, and therefore you have to break this component, and therefore this 1 electron from this carbon atom, 1 electron from this carbon atom, therefore this 1 electron, it is attack on this carbon atom, and therefore it's 1 electron attack from this 1 electron, and it is formation of carbonyl group, okay. Therefore this is the cobalt atom, and this is the CO, and this is CO, okay, and therefore you have to combine them, okay, you have to combine them, and it is formation of, okay, it is formation of both the cobalt atom it containing the, sorry, both the cobalt atom it containing the, both the cobalt atom it containing the, sorry, this is not a break, this, both the cobalt atom it containing the 18 electron, okay, this is also the 18 electron, okay, that 18 electron you have to complex you have to form, then you have to migratory insertion of, you have to migratory insertion of carbon monoxide, okay, you have to migratory, okay, you have to migratory insertion of carbon monoxide, okay, therefore your carbon monoxide you have to migratory insertion, okay, you have to migratory insertion between that carbon and cobalt atom, that carbon and cobalt atom, okay. So look at this structure, that is R H R, then this is CO molecule, CO, okay, and therefore this is the carbonyl group, this is the CO cobalt, that is the CO and CO, okay, and therefore okay, so this is the complex molecule, that complex molecule you have to form them, okay, that complex molecule you have to form, okay, therefore you have to migratory insertion of carbon monoxide in this, okay, then after the migratory insertion, therefore you have to reductive elimination, okay, after the migratory insertion, then you have to elimination, okay, after the migratory insertion you have to elimination, okay, next is you have to reductive elimination, okay, in this reductive elimination, therefore your this carbonyl group, okay, that cobalt atoms bond is break and therefore it is provided into this, okay, and therefore after this reductive elimination, therefore your bond formation from this, that is R H, this is R, okay, then this is okay, then this is CO and CO, okay, and then this is cobalt atoms, okay, that is CO and CO, okay, and this is the carbonyl group, okay, therefore formation of this complex molecule, okay, you have to formation of this complex molecule, then you have to formation, you have to side product is about, side product काय येणार आहे की you have to side product is about this CO2 CO6, okay, CO2 CO6 is your side product, you have to remove from them, you have to remove them, okay, you have to side product you have to remove them, okay, तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे की हा जो side product आहे that side product you have to remove them, okay, therefore this is also the negative charge, sorry, that bond you have to break them, and therefore this bond it is a formation of negative charge from this carbon atom, okay, then this negative charge you have to formation them, and therefore you have to break them from this carbon atom, okay, you have to break them, ओके. नंतर काय करता तुम्ही त्याला ब्रेक करता. ब्रेक केल्यामुळे काय होतं तुमचा CO2 CO6 मॉलिक्यूल ब्रेक होतो अँड देन यू आर टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट. ओके. देन यू आर टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट that is H and CS3. okay, therefore this is your major product. हे काय आहे तुमचा major product. This is your major product. Okay, and then you have to also write from this. You have to also write from this, sorry, this is CS3R group from this R dash. Okay, that is your product is about from this. This is R and this is R dash. Okay, therefore this is your product. Okay, this is your product and therefore this is your mechanism of this Poisson-Khant reaction. Okay, therefore next time you have to discuss next time you have to discuss the example of this Poisson-Khant reaction and then you have to discuss about the Bergman cyclization. Okay, thank you.